Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your online ID on the PlayStation application on your phone. Just so you're unable to access your PS4, you can go ahead and do it on your phone. So all you have to do is just download the PlayStation app from the App Store. Once you have that done, you can go over to it and just open it up and just sign into your PlayStation account. Once you've done that, you'll be where I'm at right now, just on the home screen of the PlayStation application. All you have to do is just go to the bottom right corner where the little profile icon is. Click on the profile icon, click on Edit Profile, and then you just want to go to More Profile Settings. And then once this loads up here, we're just going to go to the Online ID and click on Edit. And then this is all just the information just letting you know that this is the last time you could change your ID for free and stuff like that. So you can just click on Accept and then scroll down again and click on Continue. And then it will pop open this screen here where you can choose your online ID. So you can just go ahead and check availability for an idea that you have. So I'm just going to go make mine right now. And then once you figure out your ID, you can click on Check Availability. And then if it's available, it'll give you this option right here just saying that it's free for your first time. Otherwise, it's going to be $9.99. If you're okay with this change, you can click on Continue. And then just to confirm it, you can click on Continue again. One thing I will point out, if you just want it to show your old ID for a little bit, for 30 days, you can click on the top portion. If you don't care about showing your old ID, you just want to show your new one, you can click on the bottom portion. So I'll go ahead and click on the bottom portion and then click on Confirm. And then there you go. Your online ID has been changed. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.